Hey Pink Loves, how's everybody doing today? I hope great. It's that time again for another Dollar Tree DIY project. So everything for this project I got from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need scissors, which I already had, hot glue sticks, painter's tape. You'll also need a hot glue gun if you don't have one. Jump rope that I got from the Dollar Tree. I bought 4, I believe. And yeah, a diaper box or any type of box you have around your house. First, you have to cut these flaps off of the box. It's much easier if you have a box cutter or X-Acto blade, but hey, you got to use what you got. Then you're going to take the painter's tape and cover the entire box with the painter's tape, as you see me doing here.
I won't deny it, I'm a straight rider. You don't wanna got the police busting at me, but they can't do nothing to me. Let's get ready to rumble.
You're definitely going to need some good music to listen to while doing this project, or a good TV show. Now we're going to take the handles off of the jump rope. As you can see, it's super easy. Just push the handle down, untie the little knot that it has. I chose the blue and white jump ropes because the painter's tape was blue, and I knew I wasn't going to cover the entire box with jump rope. Now, if you're going to cover your entire box with jump rope, you can totally skip the painter's tape step. Anyways, be very careful because the hot glue is hot, but you're just going to hot glue the jump rope onto the box just like so. Super easy, and you're just going to go around the box in any design that you see fit. Like I said before, I only bought 4 jump ropes, so that wasn't enough to cover my entire box, which I knew that going in. So I just kind of did my own little design. Now, you can go to Walmart, Hobby Lobby, or Lowe's and buy rope that resembles this and use a 50% off or 40% off coupon and have a much better deal and cover your whole box with twine or rope.
Killer, but don't push me. Revenge is like the picture paragraphs unloaded. Wise words being quoted. Beat the weakness in the rap game and sold it. Bow down, pray to God, hoping that he's listening. Seeing niggas coming for me. My diamonds when they glistening. Now pay attention, best man, please, father. I'm a ghost. These killing fields, hell, man.
Now on my box, I have these little cutouts. I'm just going to go ahead and cut that out so I can use the handle. You could always tape that down and cover it with the rope or the painter's tape and not have a handle box. The choice is up to you. It's really going to depend on how your box is made. And like I said, you can do any design. As you can see, I did I think 2 jump ropes near the top, and then I went halfway down and started another row of jump rope, which I'm going to do 2 on there also. Now the box is all done. You can decide to put a pillowcase or a towel on the inside. The choice is up to you. You don't have to, but that's an idea. I chose just to keep mine plain because I'm just going to use it for Donovan's toys, so it doesn't matter what the inside looks to me. You can also use this as a magazine holder. And like I said, we're going to be using it for all of Donovan's toys and trains and tracks. And he absolutely loved it. It's easy for him to put his stuff in, carry it from room to room. And so, yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. And until next time, stay you, stay beautiful, and stay unique. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. All right, talk to you later. Mwah.